Hey guys, Paul from Green Dragon Hydroponics. I'm here today. I wanted to share with you a new project I've been working on. It's a small aquaponics system that I built, and just wanted to give it a shot. Not that I'm tired of working with hydroponic systems, I just felt like venturing a little bit into aquaponics. So yeah, I'll show you what we've been working on. Bought a small fish tank to start, and then kind of built out a small NFT system that hopefully will grow some short-term crops like lettuce, basil, have some bok choy and different things to try out. So check it out. All right, this is the fish tank that I just bought. It's been running for a few weeks now. I put a few fish in just to try it out and get it stabilized, get the bacteria and the nitrifying cycle going. So I have a few filters in here. There's one in the back that I put in, and then it came with a couple that pull the waste through the gravel and filter things that way. So there's a fair amount of filtration going on it. These are all different types of tetra fish, so pretty simple. And then I had a pump that comes off of this filter here that pushes water out. It's a steady flow for the NFT that comes down into this pipe. And here's the NFT system here. That's a Thrive Agritech LED. They're pretty nice lights. They're 58 watts and will cover about a 2x4 for any type of small vegetative plants. I built a small shelf on there to start these seedlings off. And here's some lettuces and purple bok choy in the back. Different type. There's some Lunix lettuce, butter crunch, and bronze beauty lettuces. And then these are some tomatoes that I've working for a different system. But let me pull the shelf out and I'll show you the whole system. All right, there's the pipe that built. It's pretty easy to build these out. You just need a hole saw, some PVC, and connectors. There's the inlet. Originally it was a 1/2-inch tube coming off the filter. So I took this 3/4 and then filled it with clay pebbles to add additional space for microbes to change the ammonia into nitrites and then into nitrates, which can feed the plants. You can see there's a decent flow, and it uses an air pump so that water is getting oxygen as it pumps out of there. And then it obviously comes down the rails and into this small reservoir that I put a float pump. There's a float valve on in here. Yeah, there's 2 float valves there that work off of this I had an old grow flow controller that I just kind of modified it and put it onto this res. So basically this will constantly drip through here, and then when this reaches a certain point and fills up, it'll dump the water back into the fish tank. I also have a small heating pad here to kind of warm the water up. This space is kind of cold. It's a hallway, so especially in the winter, this will warm the water back up so it doesn't shock the fish when it goes back into the tank. Not really sure if that's totally necessary, but figure it couldn't hurt. Yeah, and I stocked the tank pretty well. We'll see how it goes. I might need more in the future, but I have maybe there's about 15 or so different tetras, and then a couple guppies there, and then some neon tetras here. Just kind of fun stuff for the kiddos to, I wanted something that would look nice and be fun for them too. Yeah, so hopefully the system runs well. We'll see. I'll be adding these seedlings in shortly, and definitely doing some updates through the winter. So stay posted. All right, I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, definitely leave a like, comment, or subscribe, and we will see you on the next one. All right.